Hi, welcome again to my podcast. And the podcast is titled Sweet 16. Sweet 16 in the Western culture is the time of their life where they become independent. But in the Philippines, it's 18 years old. Anyways, at 16 years old, I decided to be independent, but not in a Western way. Independence of mind, being decisive, knowing what I want, exploring life for 5 to 6 years. At 16 years old, I was still a high school student, graduating, going to college to pursue a degree. And at this time, I'm making a decision of my life that it will help me through adulthood, which is deciding what degree will I take. In the Philippines, there is called like an exam where you're navigating your skills and help you decide what degree you will get in college. In the Philippines, you need to have a college diploma just to have a better job, unlike in this in Western culture, which is there's lots of option to earn money. Anyways, the skill set that I have is, as far as I remember, was photography and like investigative things. But when I was going to college, my first choice is technology. Second choice is arts. Until now, I still do technology and arts in a different way. I'm still interested on those things. Anyways, it's not just like that. Even in life, where college, where you meet different kinds of people and different kinds of things that they pursue. Some are marketing, some are engineering, some are physical education, different pathways. But you can still connect even though you have differences. Being independent of mind, it's not hard, especially if you have friends that always be being along with you. And this independence, I brought it at Canada when I was still in my parents' roof for 7 years. And still, I still brought it here when I moved by myself. But moving by myself now is a different story because I was really an adult when I move out with my parents' blessing. In the Western culture, when you turn 18, it's normal to move out, to leave everything on your own. But on my stand, it's okay to move out. It's okay to have the norm. But it's really important to have your parents' blessing alongside. Because life is not always gonna be on top. You will hit rock bottom and you will always have that fallback. My friends already told me that I will really start over again when I move to a new place. It's gonna feel like everything I work hard before becomes void or none. You need to build up yourself again. It's really hard, but hopefully this is the last opportunity or that last time that I will do it. But I don't know where God's still gonna lead me, where place. But for now, I'm still gonna do whatever he tells me to do. Being independent, it's not easy on this age. You need to have your values, you need to have your stand, you need to know everything. But by the help of the internet right now and with the right people along with people who will protect you, it and the support, it is easier to navigate life by yourself. And until now, I'm really enjoying to have this independent living and this single journey that the Lord is with me wherever I go and his guidance of the Holy Spirit still with me.